Hey guys, today we're going to study about the adjectives that are ended in ed and ing. So let's check the difference. Remember, first of all, what is an adjective? Let's remember. So, an adjective is a word that describes a person or thing. So we use ed adjectives to say how you or someone feel. So you talk about the emotions, right? The feelings. And when we use ing adjectives endings to talk about something or someone that causes that feeling. So ed for the emotions, feelings, and ing for the things that cause the emotion. All right? Let's go ahead. So let's pay attention to these examples. She was so excited in the concert. The concert was exciting. You see the difference? I'm talking about the emotion, how the woman was feeling. She was excited. So we use ed to describe the feelings, the emotions. And we use the ing to talk about the thing or the person that causes the emotion, right? So I say the concert was exciting. Remember, excited, ed, to describe the emotion, the feeling, the sensation, how the person feels, and ing to describe the thing or the person that causes the emotion, the feeling. All right? Another example. I didn't like the movie, I was bored. The movie we saw yesterday was boring. So, what is the difference between bored and boring? E.g., bored, we talk about the sensation, the feeling, the emotion the person was feeling. So I say I was bored. You see, bored means entediada, right? So the person was bored, the emotion, the sensation, the feeling. And when I say the movie we saw yesterday was boring, I'm describing the thing that causes the emotion the person was feeling. She was bored because the movie was boring. You see the difference? The last example, I ran the marathon. I'm exhausted. And ing, this marathon was exhausting. It was 5 kilometers. So, what is the difference between exhausted and exhausting? When I say exhausted, I'm talking about how the person is feeling. The person in that moment that she ran the marathon was exhausted. All right? The emotion, the feeling, the sensation. And when I use the ing to describe what caused that emotion, what caused that feeling. So the marathon was exhausting. So this is the difference. So let's practice. That movie was so bored or boring. We were exhausting or exhausted. The journey was long. I was very interesting or interested in the English lesson. Some reality show on TV are disgusted or disgusting. Which do we use? EG or ING? So let's check the answers. So the first one, that movie was so boring. We use the ing because I'm talking about a thing, a situation that caused the emotion. Remember, eg, we describe the emotion. Ing, we describe the thing or the person that caused the emotion, right? The next one, we were exhausting or exhausted. The answer is we were exhausted. We eg because I'm talking about the emotions the person felt. How were they feeling? So they were exhausted, right? The next one, I was very interesting or I was very interested. ING or ED? When I'm referring to the person that felt the emotion, the person felt that sensation, the feeling, I use ED. So I say, I was very interested, ED. All right? And the last one, some reality shows on TV are disgusted or disgusting, ED or ING. I'm describing the thing or situation that caused the emotion. How does the person feel? She feels disgusted, ED. And why do they feel disgusted? Because the reality shows on TV are disgusting. So, ED, emoção. So, let's check the answers. That movie was so boring. We use the ing to describe the thing that causes the emotion. So the movie was boring. The person was bored. Do you see the difference? É de nós usamos para falar de como a pessoa sente, as emoções, sentimentos. ING usamos para descrever ou uma coisa ou a pessoa que causa essa emoção, ok? The second one, we were exhausting or exhausted. We are talking about the emotion the people are feeling. So, how were they? They were exhausted, e.g. And the last one here, we have I was very interesting or interested. Again, I'm talking about the person. How does the person feel? In this situation, I say the person felt interested. The person was interested. I'm talking about the emotion, how the person was feeling. She was interested in the English lesson, right? Some reality shows on TV are disgusted or disgusting, ED or ING. When we talk about a situation, a thing, or a person that causes the emotion, we use ING. So I say the TV shows, the reality shows on TV are disgusting, ING. All right, so that's the difference between using the adjectives finished in ed or ing. Ed to talk about how the person feels, the feeling, the emotion the person is feeling, right? And ing to talk about what causes the emotion. It can be a thing, a situation, or a person, right? So let's do the exercise. I am so relaxing or I am so relaxed. I don't want to move. The answer is relaxed. I'm talking about how the person feels. Number two, it's really surprising or surprised how great my exam results were. The answer is surprising because I'm talking about the situation, right? Number three, I get really frustrating or frustrated when I can express myself well. The person talks about the emotions, so the answer is I get really frustrated, e.g., emotions, right? Number four, we were robbed at gunpoint. It was terrifying or terrified. I'm talking about what caused the emotion, so which one is correct? ING or ED? ING. The answer is terrifying. Number five, the speech was really interesting or interested. I'm talking about what caused the emotion, the feeling. EG or ING? The speech was really? The answer is interesting. I'm talking about the thing, what caused the emotion, right? Number six, Shelley was overwhelming or overwhelmed when we gave her presents. I'm talking about her emotion, her sensation, her feeling. I use overwhelmed, e.g., ela ficou extasiada, overwhelmed. Number 7, whenever I'm stressed, taking a bath is always relaxing or relaxed. Talking about the situation that causes the emotion. So, ed or ing, we use ing. So I say taking a bath is always relaxing, right? Number 8, I'm really tired or tired. I use tired because I'm talking about the emotion. So I'll go to bed. How the person feels. The person feels tired. The situation is tiring. Number 9, he's very interesting or interested in history. I'm talking about how the man feels. So I use ing or ed. Ed. The answer is he's very interested in history, right? The last one, number 10, the trip was so overwhelming or overwhelmed. I'm talking about the situation that caused the emotion. The trip was so ing or ed? Ing. So I say the trip was so overwhelming, right?